Okay, the point we're looking for is this. That's going to be -2, 7. We want to convert that to polar coordinate. And that will make a right triangle this way with the x-axis. Right angle is here. This is a value of 2, distance of 2, distance of 7. Let's use 2 and 7 to figure out what r is. Pythagorean theorem is as simple as it gets. And that's going to be 4 plus 49. That means we're eventually going to need the square root of 53 to come up with the answer. And the square root of 53 is going to be 7.3. So if you have that so far, you're on the right track. And 7.3 is going to get marked down here by the hypotenuse. That will be r. Now we have to find the measurement here of this degrees. And then we're going to use that to find the distance we have traveled in degrees from the 0 over to the hypotenuse, where that would be on the polar coordinate plane. All right, so we know we have at least 90 there, but now we need to use the 7 and 2 to figure out what the angle is. 7 is opposite of the angle, 2 is adjacent to the angle. Therefore, 7 over 2 is what we're going to use. Inverse tangent, 7 over 2 is what we're looking for. That's going to come out to be 74.054641, and we're going to use that to find what's missing. Keep that in your calculator. You're going to type in 90 minus, and then hit second negative sign, which brings up A and S, which is essentially that number. Hit enter, and you get 15.94533959. You're going to add that to 90 to come up with 105.9453959. We need to convert that to radians by multiplying by pi and then dividing by 180, and that will give you a value of, if I've gone back to the right spot, is this it? Okay. And that'll give us a value of 1.85 for the theta value and 7.3 for the r value.